Necessary precautions to ensure safety welding operations. Here are some common precautions to consider. 1. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Wear appropriate PPE, including welding helmets, safety goggles, welding gloves, flame-resistant clothing, and steel-toed boots, to protect against sparks, UV radiation, heat, and potential hazards. 2. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation in the welding area to remove fumes and gases generated during the welding process. Work in well-ventilated areas or use local exhaust ventilation systems to maintain clean air quality. 3. Fire safety. Clear the welding area of flammable materials and have fire extinguishing equipment readily available. Maintain a fire watch during and after welding to detect and address any potential fire hazards. 4. Electrical safety. Follow electrical safety procedures and guidelines when working with welding equipment. Inspect cables, plugs, and connections for damage or wear. Avoid working in wet conditions and ensure proper grounding of welding equipment. 5. Workspace preparation. Keep the welding area clean, tidy, and free from clutter. Remove any combustible materials, such as paint cans or solvents, from the vicinity. Use fire-resistant welding curtains or screens to protect nearby personnel and objects from sparks and splatter. 6. Eye protection. Use appropriate welding helmets or shields with the correct shade level to protect your eyes and face from UV radiation. Avoid looking directly at the welding arc without proper eye protection. 7. Training and qualification. Ensure that welders are adequately trained and qualified for the specific welding processes and materials they are working with. Proper training reduces the risk of accidents and ensures quality welds. 8. Preheating and post-weld heat treatment. Follow proper preheating and post-weld heat treatment procedures as specified for the materials being welded. This helps minimize the risk of cracking and ensures the structural integrity of the weld. 9. Proper handling of welding equipment. Handle welding equipment, such as gas cylinders and electrodes, with care. Securely store gas cylinders in an upright position and away from heat sources. Follow proper procedures for electrode storage and handling. 10. Risk assessment and hazard identification. Conduct a thorough risk assessment of the welding task and identify potential hazards. Take appropriate measures to control and mitigate these hazards, such as implementing proper shielding, ventilation, and safety protocols. Adhering to these precautions promotes a safe working environment, reduces the risk of injuries, and ensures high-quality welds. It is important to follow industry best practices, applicable safety regulations, and the manufacturer's instructions for the specific welding equipment and materials being used.